In my last short video, I showed you how I can turn my phone screen transparent, and that video was a prank video because the technique that I showed you over there is not the real technique. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can actually prank your friends just like that. And before going into the trick, I'm gonna say this one more time that this trick is a virtual trick, which means it is not a real trick and it does not work in real life, but you can make this as a video. So the virtual world that is present over here is a video, and this is a video trick with which you can fool your friends and prank your friends, whatever you want to do. So for this trick, you're going to need a smartphone and a good internet connection, and you're going to do a Google image search of solid green background, and then after that you're going to download the green color, which is a little bit brighter than the other ones, and then set it as your home screen wallpaper, not your lock screen wallpaper, because that is very important. After that, you're going to set your camera on a tripod stand and in front of a bright background, and make sure that your background is not moving. So in this case, I'm going to put my monitor right in front of my camera, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my phone in front of the camera and set my camera to manual focus and on the phone, so that whenever I remove the phone away from the camera, the background is still blurred, because we need an empty background shot in order for this green screen technique to work. So once the focus is set, you start recording and you pull your phone up in front of the camera. Then you just open up your lock screen and then unlock your phone and swipe through your home screen while having the green background, and then lock your phone and pull it downwards, and then leave the camera just like that. Don't touch it, leave it recording for like around 15 to 20 seconds so that you get a clear empty background shot. Now you're going to take that footage and drop it into the editing software that you use to edit your videos. Now this type of things mostly work on PC editors. On phone you can use KineMaster, but I don't know about the other editors. But on PC editors, almost every single editor has the option to screen out the green color. Now I use Premiere Pro, but if you use any other software and if you don't know how to use the green screen effect in that software, you can just Google out that with the respective software name that you're using. Now inside Premiere Pro, I'm gonna drag and drop the clip, and then I'm gonna cut the clip from that place where I brought the phone in front of the camera, and then swipe it for a few moments, and then after that, when I put the phone down, I'm gonna make another cut and drag that section onto the layer 2 and on top of the empty background shot. And then you're going to go to the effects panel and search for the option Ultra key, and then drag and drop the effect Ultra key on the layer 2, and then you're gonna go around the middle of the section where you're gonna see your green colored wallpaper. Then use this dropper tool and then just select the green color, and that way you can just make this green color transparent from your phone screen. Then you can select presets from here in order to increase or decrease the transparency, and that way you can just make it look like that the phone screen is transparent, and you're going to just trim the entire video to how much you really need. So that way you can just make your phone screen look like a transparent phone screen, and that's how you are going to do this trick. Now this was a new type of trick on my channel, and that was a VFX type trick, which is way more entertaining for people, for followers. And if you want to like get more stuffs like this one, then make sure you comment that in the description so that I can know that you want more like this, so that I can try and come up with some really good ones just like this one. So make sure you like this video, and if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe so that I get motivated to make more amazing contents like this one. And thanks for watching this video. Peace.